Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to take notes in Notion step by step in 2026 so you can capture ideas, lectures, or study materials efficiently and keep everything organized in one place. Taking notes in Notion is flexible and powerful because you can structure them exactly how you want. Whether it's for school, work, or personal projects, this system works for everyone. Let's start inside your Notion workspace. Create a new page and name it something like Notes or Knowledge Hub. This will be your main page for capturing all kinds of information. Next, decide how you want to organize your notes. You can use a simple text page for quick notes or a database if you want to categorize by subject, topic, or date. A database is great if you want to filter, search, and track notes over time. Add columns like subject, topic, and date to your database. This will help you find your notes quickly later on. You can also add a tags or type column to mark notes as lecture, reading, meeting, or personal. Now, start capturing information. Use headings, bullet points, numbered lists, and toggle blocks to structure your content. Toggle blocks are especially useful for hiding details and keeping your page clean while still having all information available. If you have multimedia resources like PDFs, images, or links, embed them directly into your notes. This makes your notes interactive and ensures everything is in one place. And another great tip is to create a section for quick notes or brainstorming. Use text blocks or checklists to jot down ideas as they come, then organize them into your main database later. Templates are very useful for repeated note-taking. Once you have a layout that works, save it as a template. Each time you start a new lecture, meeting, or topic, you can duplicate the template and maintain consistent organization. Finally, review your notes regularly. Highlight key points, add summaries, and ensure your notes are up to date. A well-structured note-taking system makes learning and referencing much easier. And that's how to take notes in Notion step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.